job with your calling. Your life depends on it. The calling was there, but they didn't make it. Leaders, warriors, preachers, anointed, called, even used by God, they stopped obeying. They let pride in or lust, or the love of position. Some simply grew tired of denying themselves and slowly drifted until the cross was no longer near but distant, unreachable, and the enemy surrounded them and struck. This image is not just symbolic, it's a warning. Men who started strong but didn't finish well, not because God changed, but because they did. Women, listen, don't chase platforms, titles, because the enemy can use it as a trap. Chase the king. Seek first his kingdom and his righteousness. Take up your cross daily, deny yourself, and stay the course, no matter the cost. Hell is patient, but so is heaven. The race is not for the beginner, but for the finisher. Make sure you finish well.